Hello everyone, welcome back to the vlog and happy birthday if today is your birthday. It is already almost 1 p.m. here. It has been such a day, you guys. Like, oh my god, I cannot even tell you. Technology this week has just been like testing me, and there's no logic behind it. I do not understand it at all. It's like, I'm driving myself insane. I'm like breaking out so badly, I think, from the stress, because I've been so stressed this week. It just has been a time, but that's okay because we leave for vacation tomorrow. So today is essentially a Friday, even though it's Wednesday. And I just sort of wanted to pop in because I'm about to make lunch, and I thought maybe I should actually start the vlog before I make some lunch. But today's gonna be all about getting ready to leave for vacation. If you missed it, Connor and I are flying back east tomorrow. We're gonna spend a couple days in New York, and then a week with my family in Ocean City, New Jersey, and then TBD what the rest of our plans are. It's all up in the air, so we're gonna find out and see. But there's a lot to get done today, quite a few errands we have to run. We have to drop Molly Cat off to her pet sitter. My friend Katie's watching her while we're gone, and I am like seriously depressed about it. Like, I seriously think I might cry. Like, I haven't had to leave her for an extended period of time for a really long time, and I'm just gonna miss her so much. But yeah, anyway, I'm gonna do that at some point this afternoon. So there's a lot going on, but let's start by getting some food in us. And I think, honestly, we're running really low on what options we even have. I think that I will probably just make some ramen or something, just something quick and easy. That way I can continue on with what I have to get done here today. I also think I'm gonna throw some zit cream on my face. So sorry that you have to look at me with zit cream on my face, but like, I want to clear this up because I've been breaking out so bad. It's not good. Ramen is coming together. I'm doing it real lazy. Not even putting miso in there because too lazy. Finishing touches for the ramen. The black garlic oil because this is insane. Chili onion crunch. This stuff is the bomb in ramen. Oh yeah, this looks so good. Da da da. Hello. How is packing going?
It's going well.
It's going okay? Still watching Lord of the Rings?
Yeah, Alex just tried to call me, send you a call back.
Nice. I'm like still not used to seeing my hair so like, poppin'. I feel like I look as I'm like stabbing. Let me put the knife down. I don't want to hurt Molly. Molly Cat, come here. I just feel like a whole new person, genuinely. Like, do I even look like the same human? I sort of think not. I definitely have to get used to having like bigger hair because, sorry about all the noise, it's the dryer. Once I get Molly Cat in here, I'll close the door, but I want her to come in here with me because I'm gonna miss her so much. Anyway, I feel like I need to get used to like having bigger hair because obviously I'm not used to that. I'm used to having straight hair, which is what I've wanted my whole life. So, you know. Anyway, all of this to say, I'm sitting down here with you to unbox some stuff from Revolve that just came in. Molly Cat, come here. Guys, we couldn't find Molly Cat a second ago, and Connor wanted to say goodbye to her because he just went out to get a haircut, and she'll probably be gone by the time he gets back. He was very sad saying goodbye, as we both are. But anyway, she had escaped out the window. This bitch, she is always trying to get out. Huh? I love you though. I'm gonna miss you so much I couldn't even be mad at you today. Anyway, let's open up this box from Revolve. I was really nervous that the stuff wouldn't get here in time, but it did, so very grateful for that. Ooh, I'm so excited. I obviously picked out stuff sort of like with our trip in mind. So lots of like summery stuff, warm weather, I don't know. I guess sort of the same stuff that I would get here in LA. So first up, we have this top from Camilla Coho. I never know how to say that. Coho. This tube right now, I feel like it was looking funky, but anyway. Cute little tube top, has like a little detail there. Love this color, just thought it was sort of fun. I'm gonna have all of this linked down below for you guys. There's a lot of shirts in this haul if I remember, but I sometimes can't remember what I ordered. Next, this cute little, what is this called? It goes around your head? Bandana. Little bandana type top. Is that what we're calling these? I don't even know. But it actually just like zips in the back. So I sort of like that. It's sort of like you don't have to awkwardly try to tie something behind your back. So I dig it. Love it. And what brand is this, by the way? Super Down. Probably my favorite brand on Revolve. I just feel like they have this most stuff that's like my sense of style. Ooh, check out these cute shorts, guys. Just a little comfy shorts. Love the color of them. Thought they would be nice to wear around. And I do feel like I could also wear them out with like a white tank top and some sneakers. Still have them be cute. Next, oh yeah, this is like a little cover-up situation. What brand are you? Lovers and Friends, another one of my faves on Revolve. And just this really cute, long sleeve, oversized, yellow tie-dye. I believe this is literally an extra small. Yeah, this is an extra small and it's huge, as you can see. So definitely got this to be like a cover-up over bathing suits or stuff like that. Oh, they sent me another one of the same shirt. That's weird. Got an extra. Oh yeah, I got this cute little sweater vest top. These have been trendy for a while now and I never got on board. Now I feel like people are wearing them less, and of course now I'm getting one. This is classic me. But I just thought this was really cute, casual. I believe this is in an extra small as well. Oh no, just a small, because I did want to make sure that it was a little oversized. I thought that would be fun with like jeans or something. Next we have another little sort of like bandana type top. Really cute, pink tie-dye, ties in the back in 2 places from Super Down. It's actually so soft. This is like incredibly soft, and it's double lined, which I love. Makes it easier to not wear a bra, which you guys know I don't really like wearing bras. And then the last thing I got is just a little sweatshirt, little crop sweatshirt. Thought it was sort of fun with like the 2 different colors, a little color blocking situation. And that is my haul. Big thank you to Revolve for sending me all of this. As always, so grateful for them. So let me talk to you about my plan here. I've been working on some editing. It hasn't been as productive as I really need and want it to be today, but that's okay. So I'm gonna continue with that. I'm waiting for Alex to tell me his car is in the shop, but he's letting me borrow his car to bring Molly to my friend Katie's, so I don't have to take her in an Uber, which is so kind of him. So I'm waiting for him to message me that he's coming over here, and then we are going to head out with Molly Cat. I am so sad. Look at this cute cat, and she's good. I just wish more than anything I could explain to her, like, hey, you're just gonna go stay with Katie for a small amount of time, and then mom is coming back and you're gonna come back to your home. But I can't tell her that because she's a cat. It's so sad. Even though she's a little sassy today. I think she saw Connor's suitcase and it's getting her in a sassy mood. Look at this girl spread out posing for us. Hi. You're such a good girl. I know. Mom loves you. I'm gonna miss you so much, Molly Cat. You don't even know. Look at this long kitty cat. So long. Oh, I love you, Molly. I'm sorry that I have to leave you. I wish you could come with me everywhere. That'd be fun. Yeah, does mom's hair smell good? Yeah, it does, doesn't it? Yeah. Getting up in oh, a big yawn right in my face. Oh my god. You are not casual, girlfriend. Huh? Yeah, you have my hair in your mouth? Yeah, love that for us. Got this box from PETA to celebrate National Mac and Cheese Day, which I didn't even know was a thing, but look, they sent me all sorts of vegan mac and cheeses, all stocked up for when I get back. We'll have to like do a taste test of each of these and decide which is our favorite. Anyway, Becker just texted me that he's here, which means Molly Cat is leaving. I'm so depressed about it. Even though I'm really mad at her right now. She's being bad today, but still obviously very sad to be leaving her. Okay, Molly, we gotta get you packed up. Come on. Okay, come on. No. Yeah, I'm sorry, but you gotta get in here.
This is because you acted bad, Molly.
No. But that definitely is what she thinks, which is even sadder.
I'm sorry.
Say goodbye to Coco. We love you. I'm sorry. We'll see you soon, okay?
I'm so sorry. Ears back.
I know. Okay, in. I'm sorry. In. Good girl. Good girl.
I know, it's so fucking sad. All right, we are in the car. Got Molly Cat all strapped in here, and we're gonna head to downtown to drop her off. It's gonna be a nice long ride, so it should be fun.
Molly Cat, we made it. Now I'm gonna need you to not meow too much while we walk through the lobby, okay? Okay, I love you.
She's so sad.
We're almost there, I promise.
There we go.
Molly Cat, I'm gonna miss you so much. Best friend. It's so sad. Bring it to Kate. I'll take such good care of you. Okay. Get all the cuddles and snuggles. Okay, go run. She's scared. I love you so much, baby. I'll miss you. Come here.
Molly Cat.
No. Okay.
Back under the bed. We made it home. It's so sad here without Molly Cat. I hate it. But it is now 8 p.m. That was like such a journey. And I have not even started packing yet. So I'm just gonna power through, get packed as quickly and as efficiently as possible. And hopefully this will only take like maybe 40 minutes. That's what I'm hoping for, but we'll see how it goes. Okay, suitcase I think is pretty much fully packed, which is great. Now, all that's left on the agenda is cleaning up the kitchen. I need to clean out the fridge, and then it's relaxation time. Okay, finally sitting down to relax for probably 30 minutes to an hour, and then we're gonna have to go to bed, so. It's gonna be a nice short night, but our food just got here. We actually got chicken sandwiches delivered from Dave's Hot Chicken. Actually, weirdly, Connor orders from this place all the time. I haven't tried it yet, but I think Tara just went to a Dave's Hot Chicken that was opening in Toronto.
Yeah, it just opened.
Oh, okay, well.
I was messaging her about it.
No way. That's so funny. Yeah, I haven't tried it before, so I'm excited to try it, and also just to relax a little. I cannot tell you how tired I feel, like eyes heavy tired, you know? Body, it's not even like my brain doesn't feel that tired, it's just my body is really exhausted. Check out this sandwich. Looking so good. We have fries, cheesy fries, Mike's sauce. I'm pumped. All right, well, that ends a very busy day. Oh my gosh, yeah, it was long. I feel pretty tired, but very excited to be in bed right now and get ready for a nice early wake up tomorrow. Gotta love it.
But hey, the adventure starts tomorrow.
That's right, adventure starts tomorrow, and the next time that you see us, we will be in New Jersey.
You get to see your parents tomorrow.
I know, I'm so excited. It's gonna be awesome. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next video.